God.
You're giving it a thumbs up.
What is this?
Who made this? I have no idea.
I cannot tell you. But on every dip, there's a break. Why?
I think Hershey Park was supposed to get one of these a long time ago.
Why?
Kind of glad they backed out of it, but
This is the slowest slip hill ever.
it's loud too. But guess what? We got that joy next.
I'm gonna kill myself.
This is so.
You can see like the tower.
Oh yeah. All right, rollerball.
Okay, guys, we're on the rollerball. I have no idea what to expect from this, but we have a great view of the city.
That's kind of cool how it stops.
Why
here.
does it stop here? Okay. Are we gonna go, or are we just gonna sit here? All right.
Okay.
I'm so confused. Whoa! Whoa! This is weird. What is happening?
Whoa.
Oh, this is terrifying. Oh, this is horrifying. Oh my God.
I love it. This is cool.
Whoa! Whoa! What? Wait, this is so strange.
I love it.
Oh my God! This is like terrifying. Oh God! Oh my Lord! What is it doing?
Whoa! Whoa! It feels more like a flat ride than a coaster.
Why is it rough? Okay. Oh, okay. Ow!
Foot chopper, being the
What's
roof.
happening? All right.
And noch einmal.
It sounds like this.
Okay.
All right.
That had hurt.
That was something.